Unlock the power of Tableau by connecting it directly to your Excel spreadsheets and transforming static data into dynamic visualizations. Let's get started by opening Tableau, and on the left side, you'll see the Connect pane. This is where the magic begins. Under to a file, find Microsoft Excel and click on it. This tells Tableau we want to connect to an Excel file. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the location where your Excel file is saved. Select the file and click Open. Tableau will now display the sheets available in your Excel workbook. On the left, these are the individual tabs you see at the bottom of your Excel file. Simply drag the sheet you want to analyze from the left pane onto the canvas area. Tableau will then preview the data within that sheet. Take a moment to review the data preview. Ensure that the column headers are correctly identified and that the data types are appropriate for each column. Once you are satisfied with the data source setup, click on the Sheet 1 tab or the name of your sheet at the bottom of the Tableau window. This will bring you to the worksheet view. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your Excel file to Tableau. You can now see your Excel data reflected as dimensions and measures on the left, ready to create insightful visualizations.